Welcome to STV National. At right now, we are in Aerial IQ India Private Limited. Mr. Anant is with us. Hi, sir. How are you?
Hello, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm very fine, sir. Sir, tell me about your demonstration or what is
Sure,
this drone?
sure. So, Aerial IQ is our company. We have developed this drone. This is called Aviral. Aviral in Sanskrit means continuous. So, we have kept this Aviral name for this machine because this drone system flies continuously in the air. How it does this is because it's not flying using a battery, it is flying using this tether cable. So, Aviral is a complete tethered drone system where it draws power from this ground station, which is connected to your regular AC power or a generator if you're in a field. So the main advantage of the system is that it gives you continuous flying time. It can fly continuously for over 12 hours, and wherever the police forces or the military needs continuous surveillance or monitoring, where it's difficult to bring down the drone, change batteries, that is where this system can be used.
Which locations it when used?
So this is perfect if you want to have surveillance in a base security, perimeter security. Now perimeter security can be for the police forces or it can be a private secure perimeter as well. Secondly, it is perfect to use at the borders. Now we also have a fiber optic data link here, which ensures secure data communication, and also it is not visible to enemy anti-drone systems, right? So at the border where you can get continuous surveillance throughout the day and night, but your enemy cannot detect your drone because this does not rely on GPS. So, like we mentioned here, it's for border securities, for perimeter security. This is a perfect system. Also for disaster management, we are also marketing this for disaster relief, where continuous monitoring can be done. One more USP is the deployment options that you see here. This can be used from the ground, and it can also be mounted on vehicles or army tanks or police vehicles or even boats.
And what is the camera and all the things?
So this drone can carry different payloads. So this is the camera sensor which we've shown here, but instead of this communication device, a smaller camera, larger camera. So there are different options one can put based on the customer requirement. So it is a highly customizable system. This system that you see here is what we are displaying here, but it can be larger than this. It can be smaller. A larger one can carry heavier payload. This one carries about 3.5 kilos. A larger one that we have carries about 8 to 10 kilos, and it can even be scaled up. So, and this is all indigenously made. This has been made in India, designed, developed by us. The ground station, the drone, and because the whole frame and everything is designed by us, it is very easy for us to make it smaller or bigger according to the customer requirements.
Sir, tell me about your aerial IQ.
So, Aerial IQ, our company was formed about 3 years back. We are a startup. We are a startup of about 15 people now. We have been growing over the years, and we've got offices in Bangalore and here in Gurgaon.
Okay, are you in Make in India concept?
Absolutely. This is we highly recommend Make in India to others and follow it ourselves as well. And we have been trying to develop this using all Indian products. Of course, there are few that has to be imported, but this is over 70%. It is all Make in India.
Welcome to STV National. At right now, we are in National Center for Excellency in Technology for Internal Security, IIT Bombay. With us, Akash. Hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm good.
Sir, can you tell me about your product?
Yeah, so basically in NCTIS we do happen to have many different projects. One of the happens to be like which one of the happens to be the spherical robot. So if talking about spherical robot, so basically it's a surveillance bot for military applications and all. Like this happened to be our first prototype which we developed, and when we went to energy commandos in Mumbai, they suggested that it's not possible for them to actually go for missions and all for such big robots. That's when we came up with a smaller version of it, and they did suggested that to make the camera much more clear and to have much more wide range. That's when we came up with a fisheye camera, which gives you a 360 dome view. So this is all about the spherical robot, and currently we do our working like has shown demonstration to all the like energy commandos and like the para.
Can you explain your other products?
Yes, we do happens to have
Actually, the another product that we have is we developed in IIT. It is video analytics solution for surveillance.
Okay.
So it has 14 feature right now. Let's say face recognition, human intrusion, loitering. The main feature that we deployed in IIT it is while COVID time. Let's say 10 15 people gathering around the particular area. It will give you the alert on the mobile or on email. So this kind of product that we developed is in on IIT campus. So that's it.
Are you experts in data analytics like that?
Yeah, we do gather this data and we generate hotspots where this kind of are those hotspots. We gather those data and we create something heat map where those peoples are gathering on that places.
You the people are in IT experts.
Yes, we are developing this product on this in IIT.
Okay, okay. Do you have any other products?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hello. So yeah, this is a rover. This can be used for like handling explosive devices. So taking a scenario where there is a unclaimed bag lying somewhere, and then if we don't know what is there in that bag, then in that case, instead of sending a human and risking his life, we can send this rover just to pick it up and to put it in a safe place where it can be worked upon. So that is the main purpose of this rover, and like it has a payload capacity of 6 to 7 kgs, and it can move with a speed of 1.5 kilometers per hour. And yeah, it is an all-terrain robot as well as it can climb stairs, which is a 200 step and a 30-degree angle as well.
Okay, this one is the bomb dismantle one.
Not dismantling, but it can handle the explosive device to keep it in a safe place instead of risking a human life for that purpose.
This one is the developed in IIT Mumbai.
Yes, sir. It is developed in IIT Mumbai under the NCTS project.
Welcome to STV National. At right now, we are in Map My India stall with us, Mr. Anil ji. Hi, sir. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
Sir, tell me about your product.
This is our product. Basically, we develop this product for the mapping purpose. We are a JS company, well known as a C Info System Limited, and our brand is Mapples and Map My India. So basically, we create the digital map for the entire India, and also we are in the mapping solution for the kind of drone mapping, photogrammetry, and all. So this is our product we basically use for our internal projects. We are not selling this, but we have planned to in the market. We can sell this after some time.
Okay, okay. This one is the working in with GPRS technology and all that.
Yes, yes. We do use for the PPK and RTK integrated drone. So this is basically used for the Samhita project only. So that's why we use the PPK integrated drone.
Now central government are using for landscaping all the things.
Yes,
This can
yes.
use there.
Yes, yes. Currently, we are already impaneled with the SY Samhita project, Survey of India's Samhita project. So basically, these kind of drones used in the that to capturing the Abadi and large-scale mapping areas.
Welcome to STV National. At right now, we are in Soft Security Labs. With us, Varun sir is with us. Hi sir, how are you?
Very well, thank you. How are you?
I am very fine sir. Sir, can you explain your Soft cyber security product के बारे में?
Sure. So we've got three products. One is an AI-based antivirus. The speciality of this is that we've designed a human brain inside our antivirus, and it thinks and analyzes the computer exactly like a human security analyst would do. This helps in catching many viruses which your conventional antiviruses miss. So this is an added security. So big organizations use very complex cybersecurity products that takes a lot of budget and a lot of complexity and manpower to install. Our antivirus takes about 60 minutes to install, and it's a no hassle. You do not have to increase your IT manpower, and no basically hassles. Within 60 minutes, it's an install and forget antivirus, and your security is augmented to a level of big enterprises. That's the first product. Second product is a USB security solution. The USP of this is that anything that you copy on a USB drive cannot be accessed outside the organization, so it prevents data leaks. The second biggest problem using a USB is viruses entering your organization via USB drives. So this blocks that. No outside files can be accessed within the organization, so it blocks all the viruses. So it solves both the biggest problems of using USB. Data cannot be leaked outside the organization, and viruses cannot enter the organization via USB drive. And a third product is secure file storage. This is like a Dropbox on-premise. Any files that you want to take backup of, you just drag and drop these files on the storage, and they are automatically encrypted and stored. You can prevent mischievous people from deleting those backups, and this is also virus proof because all of them are encrypted and stored. We are working with Certain for building products for national security also.
This one is, are you developing AI or any advanced softwares?
Yes, these are all AI-based softwares except for the security solutions. So we are also developing a more complex, bigger antivirus. All of them have our AI patented, internationally patented technology of the AI brain inside the antivirus.
Welcome to STV National. At right now, we are in Almerio Defense and Aerospace LLP. With us, Mr. Rohit. Hi, sir. How are you?
Good, fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm very fine, sir. Sir, can you explain your products?
Well, we are into storage of weapons, ammunition, and certain other innovative products. We have done it, which is done first time in India. Storage of weapons we do into bulk as well as for a smaller formation also. Apart from this, we are also have developed certain innovative products like weapon cleaning system, which is not there in the country. Um, then we have a blast containment box, which is again a new thing. A portable firing range. This is again a baffle firing range, which is again 100 meters to 300 meters. So these are the products, main products. Apart from that, we have a mobile armory also, which can help basically in fast. If we want to take a fast early deployment, fast deployment, in that case, this product is very helpful.
Welcome to STV National. Right now, I'm with SM Group. This one is SMPP. Now with us, Mr. Ali. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very fine, sir. Can you explain your bulletproof jackets and all the things, helmets?
Yes, sure. We have bulletproof helmet. This is 9mm protection के साथ bulletproof helmet, and this one AK-47 for this is ACH helmet for AK-47 protection के साथ.
Okay.
This is integrated, and this one is also AK-47 protection के साथ. This one is convertible band, and we have bulletproof plates.
This one is a bulletproof plate.
Bulletproof hard armor plates.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
It's for 6 round,
Okay.
and ये AK-47 प्रोटेक्शन के साथ है.
Okay.
रहने दीजिए.
No issue, no issue, no issue.
अरे मैं टेक्निकल पर्सन नहीं
Yeah,
हूँ.
yeah, yeah.
मैं कुछ गलत बोलूँ उससे अच्छा है.
Right.
हाँ जी.
This one is bulletproof jacket.
हाँ जी.
Where can it use?
सर ये मुंबई पुलिस के लिए हमने डिज़ाइन करी थी.
Okay.
हाँ जी. तो उन्होंने इसके लिए कस्टमाइजेशन करवाई थी. इसमें हमने पानी का ये पाउच दे रखा है.
Okay.
और ये मेडिसिन के लिए और फूड के लिए उन्होंने पॉकेट्स मांगे थे. ये ग्रेनेड के लिए हैं, और ये आगे एमुनेशंस के लिए हैं.
Okay.
तो ये उन्होंने नाइफ के लिए मांगा था. ये हमने मुंबई पुलिस के लिए डिज़ाइन करी थी. ये AK-47 प्रोटेक्शन के लिए
This
है.
one is used for cubing department. All
ये
the
मुंबई पुलिस के लिए डिज़ाइन करी
Mumbai,
थी.
Mumbai police.
हाँ जी, मुंबई पुलिस के
Okay,
लिए.
okay.
ये AK-47 प्रोटेक्शन के लिए है.
Okay.
इसके आगे पीछे जो है हमने प्लेट लगा रखी है.
Nice, nice.
हाँ जी.
Welcome to STU National. At right now, we are in Vectros Technologies. With us, Mr. Prem. Hi, Prem. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Good.
How are you?
Can you explain your products?
Yeah. So we have made India's first AI-based drone. So using our drone, you can track persons, objects, cars, anything for surveillance. So it is first of its kind. It has 8 cameras around the drone. So it can detect what's happening around it, and it can take intelligent decisions. So you give a point and it can automatically go to the point, record video and come back. So that's the uniqueness that we have built.
Which software can you use this gun?
So this can be used in any operating system. So using our website, you can log in and you can control the drone. So it directly feeds the video to our website, and as a user, you can directly download the videos and see what's happening.
Welcome to STV National. At right now, we are in Linkit. Mr. Tarun is with us. Hi, sir. How are you?
Good.
Can you tell me your product?
Yeah, so like we are like a technology company, so we have a solutions for the different sector of the logistics as well and the asset management. So like here we are giving a solution in terms of an asset management for the animations guns. So like what happened in the government department is like they are allocating a guns to their officer. So they are keeping their records on the manual things, or either they are putting on their Excel. So what the solution we are giving it, like we have done it for the Delhi police. So we are putting in small RFID tags on their animation, which is giving a unique identifications to that gun. And whenever any officer is coming, just show that thing. So any officer is coming, like Manjot is an officer, so I need to assign a gun to him. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a fingerprint of it. All the information of that officer is coming on my system. Now I'm allocating this gun to that officer by scanning on this RFID to Manjot. Now I have a digital record to whom I have allocated this particular gun. And now whenever this gun is coming back to us, like we are giving you fraud prevention also. So whenever this gun is coming back to our premises, I can scan again and I know that this the same part has come or not. Like we have put a 3 PCB tags on the gun parts. So when it is coming back, I know ki like this gun is the same which I have allotted to Manjot. What happened is ki like this gun has been allotted to officer for some period of time. So what happened is ki that gun is not coming. The like what they are doing is they are searching their Excel and they're noting, oh, this gun has not came for the 20 days. I have allotted for the 20 days to Manjot, but has not came back till yet. So now on the system they are getting an alert like this gun need to be came by this officer, and they can recall that gun by calling that officer, and we can issue an alert. So we can show you a dashboard in terms of okay, like to whom they have allotted the gun, like this complete dashboard of this stock in house also, okay, like which gun is there, which is the damage category guns. So this is the part which we are solving here and giving in this expo, the asset management of there. Like even this can be used for your in terms of the companies who are manufacturing it. We can show their processes and they can give this value-added services to the government department that these my guns are the smart guns. They have the PCB tags and you can manage your asset accordingly by installing this system. So it helps you to manage the system. So these are the solution which we are giving, and we have the another solutions also, which is for the logistic and supply chain sectors. So we have our transport management system, which we are giving you the digital PODs. We are making your smart contracts, like you receive your material right now in India. So you always sign it on a paper that I have received this consignment. But now it is coming digitally on a signature, like you are giving a digital POD. We are making every single transporter who is having one vehicle or having a 10 vehicles, making them as smart as a Blue Dart and a Flipkart. Each customer are getting an alert, where is my consignment, where is it on, when I have picked it, and all the information will be coming to them digitally and getting on a phone. So this is a UPN digitalizing our product, giving to end-to-end users in the market, so that they become as big as the other players in the market.
Yeah, this Linkit is. Can you explain your Linkit company?
So we have started a journey 5 years back. So we are a technology company giving us solutions for the logistics and supply chain sector. So we have the 5 different products. So one of a product in which like a link track, in which we are giving a GPS based solutions to the end customer to track their fleet from their source location to the destination locations. We have the different product, like just show that log. So most of the e-com companies are using this product, putting on their back door of the truck. Abhi, like you have seen in the market, everyone is putting a bottle seal. And what happened is that bottle seal can be tempered anywhere down the line during the transit journey. So nobody know where it was tempered. So now the market is moving toward this digital lock, like a customer like Flipkart, Samsung, Blue Dart, Delivery, Revigo. Everyone is moving toward this particular product. They're putting on the back door. Now they know where their consignment is, and it is telling every second whether I'm locked, whether I'm unlocked. So if somebody break it, you will on a real-time basis you will know that this lock has been tempered at which location.
Your company is in Make in India concept?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So we have the all this product make in house. So we have this lock is in house made. We have the another product design for a link grid we call the port automation. So what happened in India is right now, okay, like you have seen the container terminals So they want to know where my container is exactly placed inside the yard.
It's a track it.
Yeah. So like you do your asset tracking, na, inventory management. In the same way, what happened in India is we had a tie with Inchinport Korea. What we have seen there is कि like उनके वहाँ if any of the truck is coming, it is moving out within a 7 minute. But what happened in India is to find a single container which need to be loaded on the truck, it take minimum 48 hours, minimum 4 hours, and maximum 4 days.
Okay.
Because they don't know the exact location of the container where it is being stacked. So what happened with our solution is we are doing a real time, we are using an RTK technology and giving it a location accuracy in centimeter level. And we are the Indian first company that is giving you a 3D view at which height the container is stacked.
Okay.
Or making your crane drivers like an Ola drivers. They know their job on their phone. Okay, like I need to do this task. So automating and now they are finding a container within a second. This diesel are save of the crane by 50%, and the complete product is made in India. From the software to the hardware, everything is in make in India. So like in this way, we have solved the problem, and we have like automated many of the CFSs in India, in Mundra and as well as in Saran. So they are moving towards this technology. Now within a second, even what happened in India was ki like if any container examination need to be done. So what happened at CHA need to go one day before to find its container. Now within a second, CHA has in his app, he can request I want this container to be, and he know where my container is placed inside the yard, and he can do an examination within a second next day. So no need to waste 24 hours. We are just saving their time. So in this way, we are saving an operational cost in terms of logistics for the different sector, whether it is a port, shipping industry, whether it is a transport industry. We want to bring them in a more digitalized way with the best technology. So we are using a technology in terms of blockchain, IoTs. We have the different technologies.
अगर तुमने जिस वक्त तुम्हारा ही है तब तक मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। ठीक है, जब तुमने बोला कि मेरे AES के साथ कर दोगे तब मुझे प्रॉब्लम है।
सर आपका AES का क्लाइंट कहाँ है? मोबाइल फोन पहला, दूसरा बैठेगा सर। तो आप कम्युनिकेट सिक्योर कर रहे हो अपना कम्युनिकेशन मोबाइल थ्रू दूसरा मोबाइल फोन।
अब आपने कहा ये दोनों आपस में बात करने लगे, वो कैसे करने लगे जबकि मेरा एक AES एक मोबाइल के साथ बैठा है, दूसरा AES दूसरे मोबाइल के साथ।
सर मैं कैन यूज द लास्ट पेज इसको यूज कर सकते हैं। This is your UE one, this is bubble one. I'm saying B1. Now I'm having a B2 here. Your UE and your this is UE 2. आपका encryption यहाँ से जाता है, ऐसे करके जाता है. We're not able to understand or listen anything. This is encryption is provided. Now you want to go to UE 3, which is here.
You have just said.
Yeah.
इसका encryption.
Now I am going to put here MBT. Multi-bubble transceiver who's going to create the connection. So now I am not going to decode your encryption here. Whatever the AES or whatever the encryption you are using, I'm going to keep giving. What I'm doing, I'm going to understand this and this bubble on a EPC level.
AES जो है, तुम्हारा AES पे जो तुम करते दे रहे हो, वो LT का एनवेलप उसके ऊपर आ रहा है या उसके नीचे आ रहा है?
सर पहले LT का एनवेलप आएगा, फिर मैं AES 128 करूँगा, उसके ऊपर
ही प्रॉब्लम आ रही है। अगर आप उल्टा कर रहे होते तो मुझे मान लेता।
सर मैं बता रहा हूँ, नाउ उसके ऊपर आपका इंक्रिप्शन जा रहा है, उसके ऊपर जा रहा है, मेरे AES 128 के ऊपर आपका जा रहा है इंक्रिप्शन. So here I am having 128 and you are having the XYZ. I don't know if you know that what you are using. Here XYZ it will work. Now here मेरे 128 के साथ I can record
ये XYZ ये वाला भी इसी सेम उसका होना चाहिए.
ये सर आपका ही है. These are the two box you are using phones. Now I am using MBT. I am not going on your layer. What I am doing, I am in below layer. I am going to decode 128 and connect these two boxes.
एक चीज़ और सर, एक मिनट अपना देख लीजिए. When we know that currently we are showing overlap, but initially when the EPCs are configured, then we are not. एक minute, please hear me. Then we store all the SIMs of this as well as this in the EPC 1, EPC 2.
हाँ, वो फिर नेटवर्क है.
लेकिन एक मिनट,
जो चीज़ फिर भी इम्पॉसिबल ये और भैया ये कोई खाते के जैसे अपना ही ये झंझट दूर हो चुकी है। आज इन्होंने पकड़ के मुझे कर दिया खड़ा। तो है क्या है?
So sir, I hope I was able to solve your query a bit, or not at all.
जैसे मगर कर सकते हो तो ये सब मेरी समझ से बाहर या तो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन दोनों एक दूसरे को कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं या मुझे उससे सिरमानी करने की ज़रूरत है।
पूरा ना चल रहा है।
Continuous monitoring of the elderly can be done through the app. Multi-location access to the doctor.
सर ये दिखा देता हूँ। This is what it is.
मैं एंटी जैमिंग फीचर है कोई? अमेरिकन को कर रहे हो तो एंटी जैमिंग सालों को समझ में नहीं आती है।
Sir, Americans are also going as GRC partner and promoting to the US forces. So what happened?
जापान रेडियो का है।
जापान रेडियो का
ये लोग सब ये मान के चलते हैं कि किसी ने मुझे जैम किया तो मैं उसको उड़ा दूँगा। That's their doctrine. That's their doctrine. Americans की doctrine ही है। कोई मुझे जैम करेगा तो मैं उसको उड़ा दूँगा। So, I mean, so that's a different operational doctrine.
Yes, sir.
But
So what I was saying that this is EPC 1, EPC 2. As soon as they are in the range, they are going to have a bubble. The CP will be maybe another daughter ship. They can have a relay also which can extend. So if one ship is having a connectivity to the VSAT, the call from this guy will travel from here, and will go to the headpoint. So they can do the automatic configuration.
they are already with कहाँ डिप्लॉयड है?
सर NATO forces में जापान डिफेंस फोर्सेस में साउथ अमेरिका में they also have. I don't know the name of the country.
परफॉर्मेंस क्या बोलूँ रिलेटिव कॉस्ट performance in homeland security environment. I would say homeland security की हिंदुस्तानी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में it's an over engineered product, but फिर भी
सर डिफेंस फोर्सेस यूज कर सकते हैं।
हाँ डिफेंस कर सकते हैं
उसके अलावा होमलैंड में जितना NDMA हो गया और NDRF हो गया,
किसी को इतना महंगा वाला सब इंक्रिप्शन वगैरह थोड़ी चाहिए यार। यार वो डिजास्टर रिलीफ पे तो डब्बा चाहिए बस तो पूरी तरह पास हो जाए। आई वुड से होमलैंड सिक्योरिटी
एनएसजी कैन बी एसपीजी।
इसके अंदर थोड़ा सा मैं आपके साथ डिफर करूँगा। जब भी डिजास्टर होता है वे सब साइलोज में बात कर रहे होते हैं। फायर डिपार्टमेंट का अलग नेटवर्क है, पुलिस फोर्स का अपना नेटवर्क।
वो मेरी और आपकी मुसीबत नहीं है, वो देश की
सर लेकिन हम भी देशवासी हैं और जो
नहीं वो नहीं तुम सॉल्व
कर सकते हैं। मैं आपको बताता हूँ कैसे कर सकते हैं,
क्योंकि वो स्टैंडर्ड कभी मीट ही नहीं होता।
सर एक मिनट,
सारा अल्टीमेटली वो वॉकी टॉकी पे ही बात होती है।
नहीं सर, मैं आपको जब नवंबर में डेमो करूँगा तो नवंबर में मैं आपको वॉकी टॉकी से इस पर कॉल कर सकता हूँ। इससे मैं सेलुलर पे कॉल कर सकता हूँ, आपके PBX पे कॉल कर सकता हूँ।
वो सारे फीचर्स मैंने बना दिए थे टाटा पावर एसएडी के लिए, एकदम जब साले कस्टमर को चाहिए ही नहीं, उसको वैल्यू ही नहीं होगी।
इस देखिए आइडियली तो फर्स्ट नेट जैसा कुछ नेटवर्क होना चाहिए फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्डर्स के लिए, सो दैट वुड बी
आई नो, बट वो वैल्यू तो होना चाहिए ना। यू कैन नॉट अनफॉर्चुनेटली L1 में चलता है।
वही ना सर, अगर L1 हम पहले से फॉलो कर रहे होते तो कुछ भी नहीं बना होता हमारे यहाँ, सब गिर गए होते अब तक।
हो ना वो।
हजार साल पुरानी जितनी भी चीज़ें हमारी सारी नीचे आ गई थी।
वही कौन सी मूवी थी, अमेरिकन मूवी थी जिसमें कि मिसफिट्स को नासा जो है is sending them on a asteroid to drill into the asteroid और उसका
Armageddon.
Armageddon. उसका एक डायलॉग था, just think this entire ship is based on L1.
अभी तो इनफैक्ट अमेरिका ने वो कर ही दिया।
हाँ, डार्ट जो भेजी अभी।
अभी जो जाके वो उसको कोलाइड करके एस्टेरॉइड।
अब सर मैं वो सोच रहा हूँ दोबारा जब चक्कर मार के आएगा 2-4 लाख साल बाद फिर वापस ना आ जाए। थोड़ा सा डेविड किया है, अगली बार ना आए।
इसमें भी इतना यूज नहीं मॉडिफिकेशन का तो हाँ इसका तो कुछ सवाल ही नहीं।
Welcome to STV National. At right now, we are in ESRI India. Mr. Krishna Rao is with us. Hi, sir. How are you?
Hi, doing good. Doing good.
Sir, can you explain your product?
Yeah, this is our drone processing software. Once the drone flight is done, so you need also a processing software. So we offer a cloud-based drone processing software. So here you can see these are all the photographs which have come in after the drone survey has been done. And once we do this, the photos are uploaded to the cloud. We generate all different kinds of data sets. So now you can see from once the data is processed, you get this ortho photo. And from the ortho photo, we can even generate various kinds of contours where it can actually generate contour for that area of interest. And it can also generate an elevation model for all of this area. So that's how we use, and this also gives you a 3D mesh model. All this entire data processing is happening. So all this data processing is actually happening on cloud. So customers need not have to buy any software and all. They need to just subscribe to this software, and entire processing happens on the cloud. And you can see you can get a 3D mesh. You get a lidar data also generated for that area. And that's how we actually help customers, so that they don't have to do any investment in the hardware and all those things. So we give unlimited processing and unlimited storage for the data sets. So this is a very unique launch, and we follow all the MITI guidelines for the national mapping policy. The guidelines which are there, they're all are followed. So you should do it.
Any other products?
Yeah, we have many other products. So now you can see here again a very interesting product where we are doing a video surveillance which happens in. So now you see the video surveillance, when it is happening, you are able to see it on our map. And you're seeing the area, and I can vis-a-vis mark it on the map, and you see the point falls onto this particular area. So as soon as the drone is happening parallelly, you can also extract coordinates and other information from these products. And we also have many other products you can see now, like we have various dashboards which are into this, various kinds of dashboards which can be used in for this, for the fire activities of activity which are doing in. And these are the another example of a drone where we can be doing in. You can see this how we can generate a dashboard also of the entire work which has been done. You can see how many people are on the ground. People you can see green are all on the ground, and these are people available but no task assigned. So like this, we have a multiple solutions which can actually help for many of the users.
Welcome to STV National. At right now, we are in Optic Electronic India Private Limited. Now with us, Mr. Bulletproof Singh GA. Hi, sir. How are you?
Hi, very well. Thank you.
Sir, can you explain your products?
Yeah, so we manufacture different types of weapons for 40 mm caliber, It can be used by both the armed forces and the paramilitary law enforcement agencies. We've developed something known as an under-barrel grenade launcher, which is specifically designed to be used with the AK-47. And we've also developed multi-grenade launchers. This multi-grenade launcher can fire 40 ammunition. It can fire both lethal, in which a person can be killed, or it can fire less lethal as well, which is best suited for riot control purposes. And this is a 40 launcher which can specifically fire only less lethal. So it's best for police and law enforcement. We are making all these three things in India. So this is a totally Make in India product, and it's developed at our facility in Noida Special Economic Zone in Uttar Pradesh, and our head office is in Delhi in Vasant Kunj. So we started manufacturing this a year back. We initially started the company in 1988, with a primary focus on optics, but we diversified slowly and steadily into other small arms as well, as per the requirement of the armed forces.
Sir, do you have any other products?
Yeah, we have we are in the process of developing small caliber weapons as well, like 9mm carbine, pistols, and sniper rifles. So they are under development, so that's why we've not displayed right now.
No, you are purely in armor development.
Yeah, in small arms and optics.
Welcome to STV National. At right now, we are in Motorola Solutions. Now with us, Mr. Raghav Chaudhary. Hi, sir. How are you?
Hi, doing good. Thank you.
Sir, can you explain your products?
Okay, so basically, this is Motorola Solutions over here. So what we are presenting over here on one side is tactical communication, which is focused around police, paramilitary, defense forces, where we have our APCO P25 radios as well as tactical radios, SDR radios, portable man-pack radios on this side. And then on this side, what we are presenting is our body-worn camera based upon encryption, as well as our push-to-talk devices that can work across networks, across any kind of devices over wireless, Wi-Fi, 3G, 4G. So this gives you, a kind of a complete comprehensive ecosystem, what we call as our mission-critical ecosystem, as a combination of critical communication, video intelligence, and command control.
Sir, how do you feel? Are you come to here?
Oh, this has been a great event. I mean, Police Expo has been an annual affair where we participate with FICCI's support over here. It's a pretty good platform to expose our projects and products to the customers across the paramilitary police forces.
Do you have developed any other products?
So basically, Motorola has been known for critical communication. What we are evolving now is into the area of video intelligence based upon AI. As well as command control solutions. That's something that we're creating a ecosystem story around all the three pivots of a customer requirement.
Welcome to STV National. At right now, we are in live view. This one is the broadcasting equipment. Now with us, Mr. Gaurav. Hi, sir. How are you?
All good, sir. Thank you. So with me, Avinash is my colleague. He's from ARK. And we represent this brand here in India. And this is an Israeli brand. And so these are the flagship products what we sell it to all the TV channels, not even in India, even around the globe. So this is the most selling product what we have in India. It's called LU600. It's an 8 SIM card model, and there's a Wi-Fi and there's an Ethernet, and you can stream it directly to the receiving server. So close to we have like 85% of the Indian channels are using live view. This is a smaller product what we have. It's called LU300. It's it has got 2 internal SIMs, 2 external dongles, a Wi-Fi and an Ethernet. And this is the most elite product what we have. It's called LU800. It's a 5G model, and it comes with 4 SDI inputs. So you can connect 4 cameras all together with this unit. And absolutely, and you can use this kind of a product for any type of remote production.
For any multi-camera output outdoor broadcasting, you can just use the LU800. So you don't require any switcher or any OB broadcast OB unit to send the videos. You can go directly. You can switch from our equipment. So no switcher and no OB bands.
Okay. This one is include the live kit?
Yeah, sure. Absolutely. So if you see that with all the big transmitters, we have customized bags, and you can put all these transmitters inside the bag to keep them safe, as well as during the time of the mobility, it's very easy to carry these kind of equipments. safe.
So for the smaller one, there's a two different type. Either you go with the backpack or the belt pack as well as.
Okay.
So you can carry as a sling or on the belt one.
Nice one, sir. Welcome to STV National. At right now, we are in Netrika Consulting India Private Limited. Now with us, Mr. Vivek Saxanaji. Hi. Hi, sir. How are you?
Privilege. Welcome to our stall.
Yes, sir. Can you explain your products?
Netrika is a leading risk management consulting organization of the country, having 300 plus employees in our organization, and we cater to multiple segments for the benefit of the law enforcement agencies, for the police, for your army, Indian Air Force, and the others. Typically, wide our full range of product lines, which include the following: one is digital forensics, second is cyber security, third is anti-counterfeit and enforcement support services, and a plethora of other segments which we have, including security and threat intelligence portfolios. We also have training to arm the people. We are standing at BP R&D, and we feel that it is very important that our forces are geared and armed with different sets of interviewing techniques, with cyber security, these things, fraud risk management, anti-terror also existing, crime prevention is also existing with us. So we have a host of services portfolio at our end, and we are a one-stop shop for any risk consulting assignment which is required by the law enforcement agencies or by any enterprise, any PSU in India.
It's like a data analysis and all the things.
Data analysis is, I would say, a very, very small subset of the thing. What is most important, I would say, is market intelligence gathering capacities, the skills to gather it. So that's where the interviewing techniques and stuff comes in. And then we are able to collate it in the best possible manner, and not only generate a report, which is just a small segment of it. We are also able to take actions in the field, support the actions in the field, backed by market intelligence which we have. So that is what it is.
Do you have any other one?
Any
other products like this?
I've-
Like services?
I've outlined the whole service portfolio with you. Yes, anti-counterfeit and enforcement services are there. Additional good that you prompted me. I appreciate that. We also have background verification services, which is a very strong arm. It is very important that the integrity of individuals needs to be catered to, aligned with a particular organization's ethos and cultural fit requirements. In addition to which, the integrity aspect of the individual. Second, of course, is also the due diligence area, which we cater to specific to vendors and the clients. And of course, it accumulates, or I'd say it gets into forensic investigations ultimately, so that you are able to drive meaningful responses from it, and actionable intelligence is converted into action.
Welcome to STV National. At right now, we are in Hill Defense Aerospace. Now with us, Mr. Balram Pillai. Hi, sir. How are you?
All good, sir.
Sir, can you explain your product?
This is a anti-drone system made for defense services, for the law and order establishments, for police application, for safety and security of airports, prisons, and such VIP installations or sensitive places. This is a completely indigenously developed, designed, fabricated, manufactured equipment, part of our Indian company. And the aim is to prevent the drone from feeding the camera live feed first. Second is to make the drone go back to where it came from. Third is to bring the drone down exactly where we see this. Now, there are ranges, issues about how far this can operate. Usually, our design is to counter drones at about 2 kilometers distance. And any kind of 95% of the drones of the world, we are able to counter this. So we have two variants. One is a 3-channel system and the other one is a 7-channel system. The 7-channel system is according to what the government of India is asking for law and order work. So this is an exclusively radio frequency system where there is no detection. We are only looking at it. It is a visual acquisition, and the moment the drone is seen, the operator or whoever is the soldier or the pointsman, he fires at it and neutralizes the drone threat.
Do you have any other products?
Yes, we do. We have surveillance systems, we have smart police systems, we have smart military systems. Usually what happens is there is a legacy system of writing names and making records in a register when anybody goes to draw a weapon. So we've got a automated system which has got our own software, which is mounted into a hardware system which is used to scan the weapon number, the registered number, the QR code of the weapon, and it takes a picture of the soldier or the policeman who has drawn the weapon. It also has biometrics so that no unauthorized draw of weapon happens. Also, the database that it generates helps in maintenance of the weapons, and therefore equipment availability will improve. So this is part of the smart police and modernization of police forces, one of the equipment that we made for exclusively for this. We also have a solution similar to this, which is meant for recovery of traffic challan violations. So several times when automated systems generate an automated traffic challan, there are people who do not pay, and thereafter, after 6 months, it becomes an invalid challan. What we have is a system which integrates with fuel pump dispensers, which can be integrated with the Vahan and the Sarthi, so that anybody who has violated a traffic or caused a traffic violation, when he reaches the petrol pump to either buy petrol or diesel, his penalty money will be recovered, and only then he'll get fuel. So this is a high-end system that we've developed. This is our own manufacture.